Hi everyone, this is Anurag. Today in this session we are going to discuss about startup shutdown procedures. So first of all, connect to a database, okay, export Oracle underscore SID equals to DB. So SQL plus slash as sysdba. Oracle underscore SID equals to DB means we have exported instance of DB database. Now SQL plus slash as sysdba means we have connected to that database. Give the command startup in order to start the DB database. Okay. So this is direct startup method. Okay. Directly we can start the database like this. Okay. Select name from $, database. Our database name is DB. Now shed the database. Like this we can shed the database. Now let us see from a step by step starting procedures. Then we will see shutdown procedures. Okay. Now startup no mount. That means we are starting the database up to no mount state only. If you give select status from $, instance, we are in started state. Now alter database mount. That means from no mount to mount we are moving. If control file is not there, we will stop up to no mount state only. Now, alter database mount. Now if you give the command select status from $, instance, it will show that we are in status is mounted. Okay. Then alter database open. Okay. If you check the status is now open. Okay. Now let us in one more terminal, I will connect to the same database. Export Oracle underscore SID equals to DB SQL plus slash sysdba startup. Already database is started. Now in the DB database I will connect to some U1 user. Okay, I have connected to some U1 user. Here if I give shut, it will not shut down. Why it is not shutting down? If you see, it won't shut down. Why? Because both are same database. In both terminals we have exported same database. Here one user is already logged into this DB database. Now here it won't shut. This shut is a graceful shutdown. When all the users exit from the database only, it will shut down. So here I will give just the command exit. See, automatically the database is closed on the left side. Okay, in the left terminal. In both terminals same database we have exported. Now again give the command startup. Okay, now database is started. This is normal shutdown. Now we will see shut transactional. Okay, we will connect to the database. We'll clear the screen. Connect to U1 user. Select star from tab. In that select star from accounts. Okay, 5 rows are there. Okay, now insert into account values. Some row I have inserted. I have not given commit, I have not given rollback. If I give now shut transactional, it won't shut. Why? Because we have given shut transactional. Here this transaction is in progress. If I give commit or rollback only, then it will shut down. Okay. So even though one user is logged in, if I give shut transactional, it will check only for transaction. If any transactions are up and when any transaction are running, then it won't shut. Okay. Give here rollback. Automatically here database is closed. Though user is logged in, here transaction is completed. Either it is rolled back or forwarded, committed. Hence it will close. Okay, understood, right? This is shut transactional. Now start up again. Now exit, clear, and reconnect. Okay, now database is opened. This is shed transactional. Now same, connect to U1 user, select star from accounts. Okay, now insert into account values, insert some row. I have not given commit, I have not given rollback. Now if I give shut immediate, what happens? Though a user is logged in, though a transaction is in progress, it will shut down. When it is restarted, what it will do? All committed transactions will be rolled forward, all uncommitted transactions will be rolled back. That means start up again. See, I have inserted 15, I have not given anything, just quit and reconnect. Connect to U1 user, select star from accounts. If you see 15th row is inserted, no, 15th value row is not inserted. Why? Because it is uncommitted transaction. Uncommitted transactions will be rolled back. Okay, this is shut immediate. Now if you see shut abort, previously when I give shut immediate, first database will be closed, then database will be dismounted, then Oracle instance will be closed. But if I give shut abort, what happens? It will directly close the instance. This is not graceful shutdown. Understood the concept? So here also exit, reconnect, clear the screen. Now here this is about shutdown procedures. Now we will see something called as startup restricted. One minute. Startup restrict. Startup restrict, that means only DBA can perform his activities, non-DBA users cannot perform their activities. So select name from $, database, show user, user is sys user is working, but if you connect to U1 user, we cannot connect. Why? Because Oracle available only to users with restricted session privilege. So here grant restricted session to U1, grant in the in this terminal. Now try to connect U1 by U1. You can connect. Why? Because this U1 user is having restricted session privilege. That means whenever in a database, if startup restrict is given, that means all the sys user and also all the users who are having restricted session privilege can log in into the database. Understood the concept? Now alter session, disable restricted alter system, disable restricted session. Now it is disabled. Now U2 user can also connect. Okay, this is about restricted session. Then there is something called as quiescent state. What is that? Let us see. Okay, alter system quiescent restricted, a spelling mistake, alter system quiescent restricted. Okay, like this we can keep the database in quiescent state. That means show user, only sys can connect. Okay, select name from v dollar database. Select name from v dollar database. What is the meaning of this one? That means this user can perform his activities, whereas if you want to connect as u1 user, you cannot connect. Why you are unable to connect? Why? Because database is quiescent state. Even though u1 user is having restricted session privilege, he cannot log in when database is quiescent. So how to unquiesce the database? Alter system unquiesce. Automatically here u1 will connect. Why? Because we have unquiesced the database. So this is about startup and shutdown procedures. And sometimes when we want to upgrade a database, we should start the database in upgrade mode, that is startup upgrade. Okay. So this is about our startup shutdown procedure. Hope you enjoyed the session. Thanks for watching this video.